The personalization tags are really amazing for two specific reasons. One, you can globally modify text by just changing the information, the value of a specific property, and it will replace all the places. And you can personalize the whole page with the user's information. So let's see the first one, where you can change different places the information. So we can just click on create a new personalization tag. Let's call it email, for example, and on all the places that we use this value, you actually replace it on all the places on our pages, on website, funnel, whatever it is. And let's say that it is contact@domain.com. So whenever we add this value, this personalization tag, it will be replaced by this email. So we don't have to change it on multiple places. If we want to change it, we'll just do it simultaneously on all the different places. So we can just click on save. And here, for example, where we have in the header our email, we can just replace it with this one. That's it. So in the footer, for example, as well, we want to add our email here instead of having to change it all the time or etc. So we can just have it like this. You can also mark the text for the email, and we can click on the link. We can select the email, for example, and add it as an email as well. So that will actually replace and add the information for this value here, so that when somebody clicks, we'll actually start emailing right away to that specific email. So you can click on save, and let's preview. Now it will look again like this inside the builder, but when you preview it, it will show the contact@domain.com, and at the footer again, it will be replaced with contact@domain.com, and when you click, it will be a link to email. So this way you can create different personalization tags for different purposes, so you can edit information globally, basically, in that specific website or a funnel, whatever you're building. So you can do and add as many as you want, and of course you can edit the tag itself. So you can also very much personalize your pages very easily, and you can do that with the members values. So the members is basically if you have a membership area on your website or a funnel where somebody creates an account, maybe they purchased something or just sign up for whatever reason for some content that they want to see. So you can use this, for example, to showcase the name. So you can personalize the page when they visit it, if they're logged in, of course, to show their first name. So let me show you how it works. So we can go here now, and let's say this is a landing page that we want to personalize for our member visitors, and we can say, hey, something, welcome back, and click on save changes. For the sake of the example, we already created an account just to showcase it, and if we preview now, you'll see that it will show John, because we created an account as John. So whatever the name of the user is, actually it will change here as well. So now you can see that we have a profile here, so it comes with the name John Doe, the email, information about the profile. So if we change it to, let's say, Sarah, you can click on save changes again, and if we go to the home page, again it changes it to Sarah because our name is Sarah as a member. So this way you can easily personalize the experience for your visitors. We use it here as well, and other places you can add it to very much personalize their experience. You can also do it with the parameter as well. So if you're emailing somebody or just sending them some kind of a link, you can include in the URL the name of the user. So for example, first name is John. So whenever you use this one, the name, for example, the first name, if you use, obviously it will add it param.first name, and it will take the information from the URL, whatever it is, and it will be replaced into the page as well. So as you can see here, associate via first name. So this way, instead of having the information stored in the website itself, you can just pull that information from the URL and display it. So the name will take the name if you have such parameters, so you can have different parameters, email, like company name or whatever it is, and display it this way again into the page. So this is the power of the personalization, again, for globally modifying texts, or for personalizing the pages with the members profiles properties, or the URL parameters by taking the information from the URL. This is it. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's very fun, and especially for doing campaigns, it's really powerful to your email lists. So if you have any questions, as you know, just let us know.